The mining minister is adamant that action will be taken against JISCO if the Chinese company fails to follow through on plans to reopen the Alpart bauxite plant. Floyd Green gave an update in the House of Representatives today. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
Alpart Bauxite Company has paused operations since 2019, leading to hundreds of job losses and a ripple effect on businesses in Nain St. Elizabeth. Since then, the government has visited China to talk to its owner and steel JISCO about resuming operations. JISCO has finally written to Mining Minister Floyd Green. Under the two-phase redevelopment plan, the refinery should have a production capacity of roughly 2 million tons of alumina per year. Phase 1, which will cost $490 million, will target 1 million tons per year and will focus on more efficient technologies, including solar energy.
This investment will include the modernization of major operational systems, the upgrading of the plant infrastructure, the redevelopment of power generation facilities, the implementation of dry stacking technology for residue management, and the rehabilitation of the critical rail and port infrastructure. The company has committed to making every effort to satisfy the necessary preconditions to allow construction activities to commence before the end of this year, with the objective of an official launch before June 2027. The project in phase 1 will take 20 months to completion.
Port Kaiser, which was damaged during the hurricane, will also be repaired. JISCO Alpart has received about $8 million worth of rehabilitation equipment, including 2 large D11 bulldozers. Opposition spokesman on mining, Mikhail Phillips, had one main question.
What action will be taken by the administration if JISCO misses the next deadline? Because we have been getting commitments from them over the last 5 years.
The plant can't operate without reserves, without mining leases, and without mining licenses. And those still lay in the purview of the Minister of Mining and of the government. And I have been very clear with them. The truth is, we are now at a stage where I'm very sure other companies are very interested in existing mining leases. That's the stage of our bauxite industry. So they appreciate that if they don't act now, they may be unable to act at any other time.
In response to questions about tax concessions to JISCO, Minister Green said the company would be able to take advantage of unused concessions that were granted at the initial investment. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.